Hey there, Internet. Keev here, and welcome to the CARSWITHKEAV YouTube channel. In this video, my favorite spray gun is back. It's back, but it's in a different colorway now. It's black and a brownish color right here from Ethos. Now, we all know in previous videos that there are some legal issues around the System ML gun, which is this one right here. I added this because the System ML made it so great and it was much cheaper is because it was regular brass, it had regular quick connects. So it was only around $40. So it was a much better overall value. I added this push lock, got it from a different source, and then it made it just a great gun. But it is a copy of the TechMech MV925. And there's, from credible sources, there is legal stuff around this gun, this design. None of those are available for sale anymore. So then System ML came out with their V2, which all they did was change the casing around this. And Josh is coming out with his gun as well. I believe those internals are the same. He's changing the casing around it, to be his thing, a custom mold to be his and nobody else's, which is a great way to do it because these internals are amazing. It's great internals, straight angle, push lock, great swivel. Like you can't go wrong with those. So when I saw this on Amazon, I reached out to Ethos, Tim at Ethos, and asked him did he know about the legal reasons and stuff? And he said, no, thanks for letting me know. And then a little bit later, I reached out and said, it's still on Amazon. Are you just gonna go with it? And he said, I talked to the manufacturer and they said, there's no issues. Basically YOLO. He's got it listed. I heard he has like 1,000 of them. He has them on Amazon and on the Ethos website. I have a link below to Ethos. I do have a discount code there now. CARSWITHKEAV will save you 10%, but it's $60 on his website and it's $60 on Amazon. But right now there's a coupon on Amazon that makes it about $55. On the Ethos site, 10% is going to get you about that price. But to get free shipping, you need to spend, I think it was $75. So you'd have to add something or else you're going to pay shipping. So I wind up paying more there versus on Amazon, unless you add stuff to the cart. But if he's going to keep selling it, I'm going to go back to it. I washed several cars the other day. I do. I love the Zebra Clean. I love the clear. I love everything about it, but this is my favorite gun. And the reason I switched from this to this is because I didn't want to use a gun in the videos that people could not obtain. Because people ask, hey, that gun, talk about how great that gun is, but then I can't buy it. And as a business, like as a YouTube channel, I mean, we make commission on sales and stuff, right? I mean, using something in a video that people can't get anymore, as a business, that makes no sense, right? I might make some changes though. I might spray paint these a different color or change something out or just take the plates out in general. I'm not the biggest fan of the color. And I just love the trigger on this gun. I love it. I really do. This trigger is a little bit more tense, but it just feels so good in the hand. Like I loved it, had it for so long, and now I'm glad it's back. Don't know how long it's going to be back for, but it's back. It's back. And I'm glad it's at the $55, $60 mark because when the System ML V2 came out, it came out at $70. There was some coupons here and there, get it a little bit less, but it's basically sitting right at $70 right now. And the orange version of it is $80. Does it even make any sense? It's supposed to be he's been sitting on these for like almost a year and just really finally put him out there. He's offered me the gun before, like last year, he offered me the foam can. I was like, don't worry about it. I already got this. I don't need the gun, and I already have a Pro V2 and I already have the quiver. So, it's not worth reviewing if it's the exact same thing. Now it comes with a chocolate covered nozzle right here. That's kind of what it looks like, right? We'll find out what the size this is. It says that it's a 3.5, but we will do our numbers and we'll do our calculation to see what nozzle, what size it actually really does come out to. It comes with some adapters as well. If you have an M22 hose, it gives you an M22 quick connect. So if you have an Uberflex, this will allow you to connect it to the bottom there, right there. Then they have an adapter from 15 millimeter to 14 millimeter as well. So if you have a 15 millimeter hose, then you just throw that on there and it'll just change it to your 15 millimeter conversion. I'm so glad it's back. Washing those cars, there's something, and I can't say whether or not it's going to fit your hand perfect. Fits my hand really, really well. and everybody that I've ever talked to about it loves it. People have been like, man, I missed out. Well, you got a chance. It's this brown color though, but you know, that can be changed. But I'm going to just be truthful with you guys. I don't know how long it's going to be available for. I know Tim says that his manufacturer says that it's good. It's a China factory, more likely, right? When would you ever believe or trust what a China factory says? I wouldn't. That's for sure. And let's just go ahead and go down the rabbit hole a little bit, Tim, here. So I go to the website to check to make sure that my discount code works. And now, for some reason, every ad I get on YouTube and Facebook is Ethos Car Care Resist Ceramic Detail Spray video. And I gotta say, is using those AI videos that you use for your ads doesn't give me a whole lot of confidence in the decision making on whether or not this is going to be on the market for a long period of time, because those AI ads are so, I'm being honest here, they're so bad. They're so bad. But you know what? You can do whatever you want to do. That's fine. You made my favorite gun available again. I'm happy for it. So with all that being said, let's get into the testing. You check the links below for anything in the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Product has discount codes down there as well. Links to my merch and my CARSWITHKEAV YouTube channel there as well. At the end of the video, I'll show you a small creator that you can support. Let's have some fun. Now off camera, I tested the nozzle and it came out to 3.52. You can use some online calculators. You just take your PSI and your GPM that you got from your testing, and it will tell you the calculated nozzle size. Because nozzle size is just what this can do at exactly 4,000 PSI. It says it can do 3.5, means it can do 3.5 gallons per minute at exactly 4,000 PSI. You use that formula to be able to convert down to different pressure washers like the AR630 V2 I used up here to be able to get the numbers for this. I mean, now that we're under pressure, we'll just keep using that nozzle. It's safe amp wise. It's not exactly the numbers that I would want, but let's use our new little test that we have here with our Wheeler trigger meter here. And basically all we're going to do is see our pull force from here to here on the swivel. 4.6 ounces. Then we do it 3 times. We hit enter here to 4.3. 4.3. So pretty easy to figure out. 4.6 as our max, 4.3 as our low, and then an average of 4.4. I mean, that's the swivel that we're expecting, right? Just no effort to spin, free, like it's smooth. And this one has the quick connect where the swivel is on the inside of this bolt. It swivels inside of that bolt. As you can see, the bolt spins. So very slim, just like all the new ones out there nowadays are kind of like that, but much less bulkier at the bottom like a lot of guns are. But just the feel of this gun, it's just... Okay. So trigger pull, we'll do it 5 times. All right, so we had a minimum of 2 pounds, 10 ounces and a max of 3 pounds, 3 ounces for an average of 2 pounds, 14 ounce pull. I mean, that's really good. That's like right up there and probably like top 2, top 3 out there when it comes to trigger pull against, they say, the Zebra Clean SGS 28 MTM type category. Just a really good pull. McKillen's is a very light pull as well overall, but I really don't like that gun. Well, you know, we've got to try the original. I will say the original swivel it's freer. I think it's a little bit freer, but this one was used a lot more and was broke in. So let's see here. What's the pull on this? 4.2. 3.4. 3.3. So that comes out to a average of 3.6. Very good. Very good. Time for the trigger pulls. So a minimum of 2 pounds, 4.6 ounces, and a max of 3 pounds, 0.4 ounces. Comes out to an average of 2 pounds, 9.9 ounces. Definitely the original Sitta Mimil. This one has a slightly lighter trigger than the Ethos, but this one was broken in over time. Like, it was used a lot. You're really not going to find much of a difference in that amount. Now, when we show you the Zebra Clean, that you're going to see that difference. I'm not going to do the V2 of the system memo. I did a video on that already. I'll link below videos, reviews, all these, so you can kind of get more in depth. But I just really want to make sure that it's in line with, you know, what we've seen in the past. All right, you can see it's under pressure. So make sure you know that, because when you see how light this trigger is, you're going to be questioning that. Now, the swivel on the Zebra Clean, I would say is right there with them. This one may be a little more friction. I don't know if you can hear it. The Ethos and the Citamimo are a little bit smoother overall. You don't hear that. It's a little bit of a grind, you know? And this one's been used a ton. All right, so swivel. 4.3, 3.9, 4.0. So an average of 4.1, I mean, she could just flick this thing around, no problem. Now, the trigger is the biggest reason why I've always liked this gun. Swivel, you can get those swivels now on just about everything, but the one thing this one has over the other ones, not just that it's clear and cool looking, is that it has the light trigger. It does have the you know, the angle that's up, and the Ethos and the Citamimo was straight. A lot of people really like that. A lot of people didn't like the angle of this. We had a max of 2 pounds, 14 ounces. That's a little high, but a minimum of 1 pound, 11 ounces. We had an average of 2 pounds, 4 ounces. So now on like an Active 2.0, it would show even a bigger difference because it's more of a linear of a pull. The AR-630 has a little bit of a pop. So all guns have to surpass that initial pop. And that initial pop is higher in pull force than, say, an Active 2.0 is just engaging the trigger, because it just comes on easily. This one has a little bit of a pop, but the Featherlight allows you to keep it held, and that's why I'd always loved this gun so much. So you're gonna ask me, why, with it being such a Featherlight and everything, and it is a good feeling gun and everything, why would you not want to use it? Well, it just doesn't feel right in the hand compared to the Ethos or the Citamimo or whatever it is. They just feel so, it just perfectly fits my hand. It's like the perfect mix of everything. It has the right angle. It has the good hand feel. It has a nice pull trigger. It has a push lock. It has a great swivel. It's just a little bit of everything. This is lighter, but it's like, it's so hard to put numbers on it, because you can only like measure like the swivel like I did. You can measure the pull force, but overall, as an experience, you really can't put a number on experience. And depending on your hand size, it can completely change that. I don't know how long it's going to be on the market though for. I can't really trust a manufacturer, a China manufacturer. If that's who, obviously I think that's who it is, unless he's going through some broker, middleman to go to, I don't know. I didn't ask those kind of questions. All I know is, like I said before, you're using this AI slop. Just my opinion, if you're using this AI slop commercials to advertise the ceramic detail spray, I don't know if I can really trust, you know, the decision-making process. But you know, the gun's amazing. The gun's amazing. And I'm not trying to be mean or anything. I'm trying not to. I just hate AI slop. I absolutely hate it. So there you go. Don't forget to check the links below for anything in the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, discount codes, product tags are down there as well. Links to my merch, links to my CARSWITHKEAV YouTube channel is down there as well. And here's a small creator that you can support. So here's somebody to support the boys over at Details Official. They have quite a lot of videos. Looks like I post about every 3 or 4 days or so. They have a nice collection of different videos. Very knowledgeable. Check them out. So I will leave a link in the description below for Details Official, and I'll see you in the next video. So when I saw this on Amazon, I reached out to Ethos, and oh my gosh. Links to my merch, my lawn card channel. With all that being said, let's get into the testing. Don't forget the links. So with all that being said, let's get, oh my gosh. So with all that being said, let's get into the testing. So there you go. Check the links below for anything in the video. Don't forget to like on it. So there you go. So I'll leave a link below. So I'll leave a link in the description below for Details Official. So I'll leave a link below in the description.